Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh. Welcome everyone to my 13th session. So, guys, 13th is maybe unlucky number for many people, but for me, it's very lucky number. Why it's lucky? Because I'm interacting with you all, and you are there with me for this 13th session. So, guys, today's session we're gonna discuss something which is very interesting in Tableau. We're gonna talk about something called field map. So, guys, you remember, right? In the last class, I was talking about data types, right? I spoke about data types. I spoke about different types of data types. We spoke about numbers, like right, integers or decimals. All those forms of data types comes under number. Then we have date. Okay, then we have date time. So date time is different data type than date. Then we have boolean. Okay, then we have strings. Okay, then we have something called, which is very important, which is called geographical, right? So different kinds of data types we have discussed. So when it comes to geographical data type, so anything which talks about cities, states, country, okay, latitude, longitude, pin code, everything comes under geographical data type, guys. So in Tableau, we have that feature that probably based upon country wise or state wise or city wise also we can make a comparison. Maybe if I have a data of sales or profit, okay, among different cities, like I belong to Karnataka, so all the different cities of Karnataka, all the different districts of Karnataka, if I get a sales data, so that analysis also we can do. Either we can do tree mapping for that, or we can do maybe bubbles chart for them, or we can discuss in the form of map diagram. So one of the map diagram what I'm going to talk about here is a field map diagram. Okay, guys. So generally we have two kinds of map diagram. We have one called symbol map diagram. We'll discuss about symbol map diagram. And this class I'm going to talk about field map diagram. So there are different forms of map diagrams are there. Under discussing about these map diagrams, we can suggest comparison on geographical data types. Okay. Now, so coming back to the Tableau, let me just go to the Tableau. Okay, so if I try to open a Tableau desktop, 1 minute, it will take some time. So uh, if I have a Tableau and I want to make a comparison here, so let me take the data of sample superstore only. You know all this. What I'm doing in my previous classes, I spoke a lot about them. So in this class, I'm going to talk about field map. I'm going to talk about field map. The moment I'll change the sheet name, by default, it will change here. Now you can see the field map under show me. This is something called field map. So for the field map, you need one geographical data type, okay, or you need one zero or one measures. Okay, you don't have measure also, that also fine. You don't have dimension also, that is fine. But you need at least one geographical data type. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this field map. And to talk about that field map, if I talk about the data here, so if I talk about the data sample superstore, so what data I'm going to take here, I'm going to compare states with profit. So I'll go with a column called state here. Okay, let me just convert this in table format. So I'll go to this column called state. Okay, you can see the states, right? Texas, Illinois, Pennsylvania. These are the states are there of US. Okay, so in this field map, I'm gonna compare these states with the parameter. The measure which I'm going to use is the profit. Okay, guys. So if I hide these data, if I hide, yeah, these are the states. Control zero. So you can see this, right? These are the states. This is the profit. Okay. So I can summarize this with pivot table. So these are states, and this is the profit. So this is what I got. Now I want to analyze this, right? State with profit wise. Okay, so right, different ways are there. Altogether, we have discussed about them, how you can make a comparison. Here, if I click the state, then if I go and click on the profit, okay, then if I go and click on the profit, state, then profit, and here if I click on the field map, you can see you got the field map, right? You got the field map. So, but this is not what I was looking for, guys. This I got something else. So I have chosen a geographical data type because to work on field map, getting a geographical data type was very important. So I got the geographical data type as the state, and then getting dimension or getting measure was not that much relevant. So but I have taken a measure called profit here, and I want to make a comparison between them. So I want to draw a graph of them. So I have used field map for that, but nothing I can see world map instead of field map. So what I can do to get the field map for the different states of United States. So you can see some unknowns are visible here. Click here. So for that I need to edit the location. Okay, here the country or region they're showing is my country. Okay, so let me change this. So here the investigation we are doing on US, but the country it's showing is India. So let me just change the India to US. Okay, so United States. Yeah, done. Then you can see this. Yeah. Now, can you see this? Fine. Now, if I put the states under levels, so I can see all the states of USA. Fine, everyone. Anyone, any doubt? I can press F7 mode to see these states. Fine, everyone. So you can see in the presentation mode to work, to click on presentation mode, you can press F7. Okay, you can press F7 and you will get this field map. If you see the ligands, guys, here, if you see the ligands, here I'm comparing the different states of USA on the basis of a measure called parameter, measure called profit here, not parameter. I'm very sorry for that. So the measure what we are using is the profit, and that I'm comparing in different states of USA. And here, guys, if you observed in these states, you got the value of profit here. But if you see, they have different colors here. So if you observe the color pattern, so yellow, orange or yellow color represent loss, while dark blue color represent more profit. So more darker is the color, more is the profit. Clear, everyone? So if I put the profit under the levels, so you can see the value of the profit also here. Clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubt? If I go to map background layer, just remove, untick this. Untick all the ticked arrow. Can you see the difference, guys? Now you can see only United States of America. You will not see anything else. So this looks better, right, compared to what we have seen in past. So this is the one way to get the field map. I can go to worksheet. Okay, I can put show caption. Here in caption, I can write something, whatever you feel relevant for you, you can write here. The idea is to make a practice for you. So different states in US with their profits. With their profits. Okay, so you can do like this way. Fine, everyone. So the same field map, I'll show you the another way of getting the same field map. Okay. Now we have done. Okay, this this sheet already exists. So let me change the name for this. So the how we created the field map, the same field map I can create in another way. So another way to create the field map is like I can put the state. I can put the state under details. Okay, this is the first step. Next thing, put the profit under color. Okay, you put the profit under color, then put your state under levels. Okay, put your profit under levels. Okay, and then you can go to map, background layer, and deselect all which is being selected. So that you can remove all the neighboring states, countries, and all, because that is not relevant for me. Clear, everyone? Any doubt, anyone? You can save this server. This is the link what you need to use to save your work in public Tableau environment, which gives you around 10 GB of space. Click on connect. It will show you error because you are working on live mode. You have to change. If you want publication, then you have to change it to extract mode. Then go here, go to file, save your work. Whenever you're saving your work, always save in .twx format. Give some name for this. Click on share. Give name for that, appropriate name, field map. Give some name, appropriate name for that. And in order to save your work in Tableau Public, you need to have an account with Tableau Public. So if you have an account, then your work will automatically get saved here. In case if you don't have account, then you need to first register yourself. Then only your work will be done. Clear, everyone? So once we are done with this, we are good to go. Now, again, I can open the Tableau. Now again, I'll click on Microsoft Excel. Here I'll click on different data source. I'll click on Indian state. Okay, so what this workbook called Indian state includes, let me show you. So this, like you can see, in this data source we have MS Excel. We along with MS Excel we can work on any CSV file or SQL file. All that doesn't matter. So suppose these are the states. Okay, let me just select them. Alt HBA, Alt HBT. Let me put border among them. So these are all other states are there of India. Control Shift down arrow. I can see around 37 states are there, which include the union territories. These are the capital cities of them. And this is the figure of sales and profit of these states. Okay, guys. So I hope you understood this. Control S, save the work. And you can press Alt F4 to close this. Fine. So if I go to Tableau, here what I'll do, I'll click on state and then I'll click on sales and then I'll go to show me and here I'll click on field map. So this is my beautiful country, my India. So I can see India. So if I want to see the states, I'll put under levels. I can see these states, all the states of India. So sales figure, if I put under levels, I think that would be too much. Fine. You can at the down, guys, you can see some unknowns are there. You can click on unknown, go to edit location. What are those two unknowns? These are the issue. Dadar and Nagar Haveli not able to recognize. So you can just change the name. Puducherry, you can change the name. Great, right? Anyone, any doubt? So you can see the different Indian states here. Okay, so if I drag the profit under color, so you can see the sum of sales and profit. So of all these states, you can see the sum of sales and their profit data. So you can see this marks, these dots are coming automatic. I can make it square. So I can change them. Clear everyone. I can change these things very easily for me to change. I hope you understood this, right? So if you want to change the remove the background and all, you can remove the background very easily. So put the profit. So if you put the state under detail, put the sales under levels, can change the shapes. Can you see the shapes? Clear. If you want to remove the neighboring countries and all, you can go to background layer, remove all this. So you are not getting it appropriately. So in that case, what you can do, remove the longitude, remove the latitude, click on state, click on sales, go to show me. So click on state, click on sales, go to field map. Okay. And then you can put the state under levels. You can put the profit under colors. So now if I go to map, background layer, land cover, then country, region, remove the states, border. Yeah. So this looks better, right? So you can remove the show me. You can click on presentation mode. So you can see a very beautiful diagram of our motherland, India. You can see the different states here. And then you can see different colors also. You can see dark blue color, you can see light blue color, you can see yellow color, you can see orange color. So here, the how you can explain this coloring pattern, you can see the ligands. In the ligands, you can see yellow color or dark orange color represent lower profit or loss, while the blue or dark blue color represent a very high value of profit. So the states like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, okay, you can see Andhra Pradesh, or you can say Mizoram have more profit than with respect to the other states. And if I put the profit under levels, I can see the same thing here. So what I was trying to talk here. So while representing this map of India, suppose any moment of time if we found any difficulty, maybe just for example, there's a union territory called Ladakh, which is not visible when you saw this. Okay, so first what you can try, you can go to file, and under file you can go for a workbook local, and there click on English India. If maybe in automatic user local, if it's showing you some part of India, which it may might show you in Pakistan or China or some other country. So you can click on English India at that moment if it's not showing appropriately in automatic mode. Okay. Other thing, maybe if certain union territories maybe not able to recognize. So what you can do when like you can click on edit location. Maybe for some states, if showing any error or you could not able to locate them here in matching location, your data and matching location. These are my data, and this is the matching location, the location which is given, which is known as per the government details to the Google. So maybe if there is some confusion here, so what you can do, you can click on matching location. Okay, and maybe this Puducherry. So maybe there's confusion with this Puducherry. You can click here and you can click on enter a latitude or longitude. So you can go to Google and type the latitude and longitude of Puducherry, and you copy and paste it here, and then your work will be done. So you don't have to worry about that part. Clear, everyone? Now, what I can do here in sheet name, I can put India map. I can put India map. Okay, and I can go to worksheet. I can go to show caption, and you can write here that India is my country and mention below is my map. You can do all those homeworks. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Okay, the same thing you can open in other way also. You can go and put state under detail. Okay, you can put sales under color, put state under level. So you can see all the states of India. Then put color, edit color, then change the color of representation. Again, whichever color you like, you're most welcome to do that. Okay, so you can represent your colors and all. Go to map, go to background layer, just untick everything so that all the neighboring countries will not be visible here. Only our beautiful India will be visible here. Okay, you can do that. So guys, you can see these figures. Now if I put the sales, now if I put the sales under color, put the sales under levels, you can see each state sales, and you can see the legend to understand which state has done better sales with respect to the other states, like states like Ladakh or Uttarakhand or Uttar Pradesh, okay, or maybe Chhattisgarh, or maybe Andhra Pradesh, or maybe Tamil Nadu. They have not performed as per their marks. Okay, and if you can compare with the states like Maharashtra, or you can see Andhra Pradesh, okay, or you can see Karnataka, okay, or you can see the parts of Manipur or Arunachal Pradesh. So they have done a decent job. Punjab, as compared to the states like Rajasthan or Gujarat, okay, which have light green. So this all you can self understand by yourself. This all forensic drawing you can understand by yourself. This is just a way to represent the data, and when you have geographical data, you are most welcome to use the field map diagram. So guys, with that intention, it's time to wind up the class. I hope it was learning for all of you. Thank you everyone. God bless you. Bye.